Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to teach you for class 5 and I am going to start your third chapter, that is bones and muscles. As we know that our body is made up of two main types of components, that is bones and muscles. Also, other than bones and muscles, other things are mixed to make our body, but more bones and muscles are very uh, important components to make our body. So what is bone? Bone is hard material which make framework of our body to give fixed shape to our body. Bone is hard material which make a frame for our body and give a fixed shape to our body, that is called a skeleton. A skeleton is a framework of our body which give fixed shape to our body. So there are so many bones are mixed to make a skeleton of our body. In an adult person, there are 206 bones are found in our body, but in beginning, in a child body, there are 300 bones are found. But as any child grow, bones remain 206 in their body, and these bones make a framework in their body to give fixed shape, definite shape, and by which we do different types of work. So there are so many structures are found in our body which are made of bones. So in this chapter, this is my first lecture, and in this lecture we will study different structures of bones and muscles in our body. So first structure of bone in our body is a skeleton, that is whole framework, that is framework of whole body, and this framework is divided into different parts, that is topmost framework, that is a skull. A skull is the hardest part of the body and it protects the brain. A skull is covering of brain, and there are so many bones are found in a skull, but these bones do not move. In a skull, no any bones move. These bones are fixed and make a frame of a skull. So a skull is also a frame of bone which protect our brain. Next structure of bone is found in our body is rib cage. Rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs that is found in our chest side, and it protects so many soft organs as lungs. Heart is also found in under a structure of rib cage. So these are rib cage which are made of bones and protect internal organs which is found under the rib cage. Next, a structure of bone is backbone. Backbone is made up of 33 small hollow bones, that is called vertebrae, and it gives support to our body, and we stand erect with the help of this backbone. This backbone is also called as vertebral column, and each 33 small bones are called as vertebrae. So these are main structures are found in our body which are made up of bones. Also in our body limbs are found which are made up of bones. Limbs mean two pair of limbs, forelimbs and hand limbs. Forelimbs, that is hand, which is made up of bones, and hand limbs, that is our legs, that is also made up of bones. And with the help of these structure made up of bones, we perform, we move, we do different types of life activities. As bones have their own blood supply and their nerves, and by nerves bone get blood and get energy, get nutrition for growth and to do different activity. Some bones are hollow and a sticky material is filled in bone, that is called bone marrow. In hollow bone a sticky material is filled, that is called bone marrow, and this bone marrow make red blood cells. This bone marrow is responsible for, this is factory of production of for red blood cells, and these red blood cells are useful for our body. So these are structures of bones which are found in our body, and with the help of these structures limbs, forelimbs, hand limbs, backbone, rib cage, a skull, these are structures found in our body, and with the help of these structures we perform different types of life activities. So for today that's all. In my next lecture I will teach you further about this chapter, function of a skeleton and other points of this chapter. For today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.